Hi, my name is David Shapiro, and in this video I want to discuss with you a few things that I would suggest you look for when hiring a criminal defense attorney and a criminal defense law firm for your case. First thing you want to look at is how experienced is the attorney or the law firm that you want to hire. And what's more important than someone's years of experience, and that's important, but what's more important than that is their volume of experience, the type of cases they've handled, the number of cases they've handled, the location of the courthouses of where they've handled those cases. A great example of that would be this. Many times attorneys advertise that they've been in practice 30 years, or 40 years, or 50 years. But how many years of those have been handling criminal defense cases? How many criminal defense cases has that attorney handled in court? How many life-top felony cases has that attorney handled? How many times has that attorney gone to a preliminary hearing or anything of substance that would distinguish them from their peers? How many peer reviews, peer-reviewed awards, accolades has that attorney earned throughout the course of his or her career? All important factors. Another important factor when determining what attorney to hire is how that attorney handles their business. How an attorney handles their business can be basically broken up two ways. The first way you should look at how an attorney handles their business is the actual inner workings of their firm. Is it someone who's answering their own calls, writing their own letters, meeting with clients, going to court all over the place, running around with like a chicken with their head cut off? Or is it an attorney whose office is like a well-oiled machine, where you call, you speak to one person, they set an appointment, you have a meeting with another person. There's systems in place. I would think that's the attorney you want, because you want an attorney that's organized. Because if they can't organize and can't keep their own house in order, how and why should they be trusted to handle your matter when you have so much at stake? Another way, when I say, how does that attorney handle their business? How do they look? How do they act? How do they dress? All those things are important. Not because you want someone to look at, or you don't want to, be outdressed or outclassed by the person you're standing next to in court. Because that attorney you hire, he or she is going to be a reflection and a representative of you. So if you hire an attorney that's discombobulated, that's wearing, frayed clothing and looks like a mess and isn't taking care of themselves, their body, their mind, how can they and why should they be trusted to represent you when you have so much at stake? All of those things, individually and collectively, are something you should consider when determining what attorney and what law firm to hire to represent you or a loved one in a criminal case.